How to add a payment method on Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually add a payment method on Lyft. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you want to add a bank account, or maybe PayPal, or maybe credit or debit card, whatever the issue actually may be. You simply want to go ahead and then open the Lyft application. Then once you launch the Lyft app, then you want to simply tap on the three lines icon, which is at the top left hand side of the screen, right? So just tap on the three lines icon here, and then you'll find the option called view profile, which is at the very top. Of course, there you want to go ahead and tap on the view profile button. So once you go to the option called view profile, what you want to do is you'll find a section that says add a payment method. So just tap on the add a payment method button, and as you do that, over here you can simply choose to add Lyft cash, right? So you can simply tap on the add cash button. You can choose to add a Lyft cash such as $25, $50, $100, and so on, and select checkout process. Or else what you can do is to add a specific payment method. You can select add payment method over here, and then you can select your bank account or credit or debit card. So if you want to add your bank account, select bank account, and then select the option called link your bank account over here. If you want to add your credit or debit card, go back and then select add your debit card, and enter your debit card name, your CVC number, and so on. If you want to add PayPal, you can add PayPal by simply logging into your account and confirming the process. And this is simply how you can add payment method on Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.